Hello and welcome to today's tutorial on how to crochet an Easter egg. My name is Melissa. And this is a list of all the materials we need for this tutorial. And now we begin by making a loop. Then chaining 2, 1 and 2. And let's use our stitch marker. Then we know when the round is coming to an end. Into our second stage of this chain, insert 4 single crochets into the same stitch. This marks our first round. Change the position of your stitch marker to that one, to the loop on the hook. And now we are ready to continue with our second round. Insert 2 single crochets in that first single crochet of the previous round. Followed by 2 single crochets into the next stitch. So we repeat this way all the way around, and we should be having a total of 8 stitches. We now continue with our third round. Into our first stage, insert a single crochet. Into our second stage, we insert 2 single crochets. So we're still increasing in every second stage. So a single crochet in that stage, followed by 2 single crochets into the same stitch in the following stage. Continue this way all the way around. For the next round, we'll be inserting a single crochet in every stage, giving us a total of 12 stitches at the end of this round. We are now into our 5th round, and we'll be inserting a single crochet into the first stitch, a single crochet into the second stitch, and into our third stage we do an increase by inserting 2 single crochets into the same stitch. This is the repetition for this whole round. So, and you should have a total of 16 stitches when you're done with this round. Sixth round, we continue with the increases. Insert a single crochet into the first stage, followed by a single crochet into the next stage. To the third stage, a single crochet, and 2 single crochets into this 4th stage. So every 4th stage, insert 2 single crochets. By the time you're done, you should have a total of 20 stitches. Now for this round, which is the 7th round, and the next one, the 8th round, we'll be inserting a single crochet in each stitch. So the amount of stitches, the total amount of stitches remains 20. This is how our piece looks after 2 rounds of single crochets. 9th round, we insert a single crochet in the first stitch, in the second stitch, in the third stitch a single crochet, in the fourth stitch also 1 single crochet, and into our 5th stitch we do our increases again. So insert 2 single crochets in the 5th stitch. Repeat this all the way and you should have a total of 24 stitches. So next round, which is our 10th round, we are continuing increasing. So a single crochet into the first stitch, into the second stitch a single crochet into the third stitch, into our 4th stitch also a single crochet, into our 5th stitch insert also 1 single crochet, and into the 6th stitch make an increase by inserting 2 single crochets into the same stitch. Repeat this all the way around. So now the game changes a little bit, whereby we'll be inserting a single crochet in each stitch for the next 3 rounds. So this round, the next one, in the following one, we insert a single crochet. And the total should be 28 stitches for each round. This is how our piece looks now. And we are ready to continue with our 14th round. And in this round, we begin decreasing. So insert a single crochet into the first stitch, followed by another single crochet into the next stitch, the second stitch. The third stitch also 1 single crochet, into the 4th stitch we also insert a single crochet, and the 5th stitch we insert a single crochet. For the 6th and 7th stitch we decrease by single crocheting them together. So insert your hook into the 6th, pull a loop and hold it on the hook, then insert into the next stitch, pull a loop, hold it onto the hook. Now you have 3 loops, then pull the yarn through all 3 loops. So continue by repeating what we just did. By the end, you should have a total of 24 stitches. For this round, we just insert a single crochet in each and every stitch, and our total number of stitches should remain 24. So next round, which is the 16th round, we decrease again. insert a single crochet into the first stitch, followed by a second single crochet into the second stitch, into the third stitch a single crochet, into the fourth stitch we also insert a single crochet. Then we single crochet the fifth and the sixth stitch together to make a decrease. So repeat this all the way. You should have a total of 20 stitches. For this round, we just insert a single crochet in each and every stitch. This is how our piece looks so far. And now we need to stuff it tightly. Insert enough of this cotton stuffing into your piece to give it the shape. As you can see, it's already picking the shape of an egg. So we are done stuffing and we are now into our last round. And for this round, we need to decrease. So we single crochet the first and the second stitch together. Same thing. So the first and the second, so 2 stitches together. Single crochet 2 stitches together. So that's how we are decreasing, and you should have a total of 10 stitches by the end. We are now done with crocheting. We need to cast off. So cut enough piece of yarn for sewing. So using your tapestry needle, close this opening by sewing all around as shown. Now using your tapestry needle and the white and yellow color of scrap yarn, embroider flowers onto your egg as shown. Easter eggs are now done. Enjoy making more of these.